Hello everyone, this is Petko Alexandrov and I continue with another great example for the cryptocurrency investment system that I'm showing in this course. So let me zoom out to show you where I am at the moment. Right here we have restarted the Fibonacci, and this is just where the price bounced to the 10,130 something, and then we had our target reached perfectly right over here at this new top, and I have a new Fibonacci from this top connecting this low over here, okay, which is just at the 38.2%. After that, you see I had the opportunity to draw a counter trend line which was broken this afternoon very aggressively, and before that, if I move the chart a little bit earlier, you will see that I had one more counter trend line right here, but what happened was I didn't have a failure of the recent low. So you see what happened, the price continued lower, so it formed a lower low than that one, then another lower low, and then it broke higher, but I didn't have this failure of the recent low that I'm looking for. So a new lower high was formed, which gave me the opportunity to draw a new counter trend line. So I don't need that one anymore. And you will see that the price failed, but it's not really a bottom, okay? It's just a spike from a candlestick, and then it touched this counter trend line. There was a little break, but not impulsive break, not like what I'm looking for, as you know, an impulsive break, and then boom, here it was in late afternoon Bulgarian time or early afternoon GMT. It broke aggressively, and I have used the alert. You can see it right here. It was at 11,560, so I wanted TradingView to give me an alert when the price breaks the 11,560. Basically, when it breaks this level where the price just failed just after breaking the counter trend line, and then it went aggressively higher. Very good move from the Bitcoin, which I caught, and I have bought another piece of Chainlink, so another 600 euro of a Chainlink, and I will show you where is the Chainlink. Much lower than I bought it last time. If you see the yearly chart, you can see this drop that the cryptocurrency had. Definitely Chainlink was the cryptocurrency for 2020, but until August, so for the first half of the year, that was the most profitable cryptocurrency that I traded. I showed many examples, taking some good profits. However, it fell down after that, which gave me the opportunities to buy it at lower prices, and today I have bought it at 18 Bulgarian levs, which is about 9 something euro. Okay, but what I wanted to show you is more that of the yearly chart, it starts to form an uptrend. You see there is this series of higher highs and higher lows. So this high is higher than that one, and this low is higher than that one, okay? And just a little pullback, it's just the perfect situation where I'm looking to buy a cryptocurrency. Of course, if the price drops lower, well, I will average the price again. Now let me show you what I have for this period. You see the cryptocurrencies that I have bought for this cycle since the 17th of August 2020. So I will have 5 link again, and now the price is 18, which is much cheaper from where I bought the 2 pieces initially. Now, what is the average price? I will show you one more time how you can calculate an average price. So I have one time bought at 27.37, another time at 25.25, and now I bought at 18, which makes total of 70.82, and I divided by 3 because I have bought 3 times. Average price 23.54. So when the price goes above 23.54, I will be already on a profit with the link, but we'll see when that happens, or if the price goes down, obviously I will buy some more to average even more the price. Alright guys, so this is how the Bitcoin looks at the moment, pretty bullish. We'll see how far it will go. My target from the recent Fibonacci is far away. The first target is at 12,585 and the second one is at 13,959, just below the 4,000. That's far away for the Bitcoin in 2020. Of course, it might happen. If it does, if we have impulsive breaks up, we might take the profits at nearly 14,000, so we'll see how that goes. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know and I will see you right in the next video. Cheers!